The 2026 ABUAD workshop on teaching methodology was held on the 6th and 7th of January 2026. This edition of the annual program was titled Building a World-Class University, Pedagogical Innovation, Research Integrity, and Institutional Impact. According to Professor Olarinde, teaching is not merely the transmission of knowledge, but an invitation to students to explore, question, and participate actively in their own learning journey.
Education must never be reduced to automation. This is one major reason why our role as educators is a vocation, involving extensive, innovative, and content delivery. This brings us to the heart of our team, which is pedagogical innovation. That requires we rethink how we teach, assess, and engage learners in an AI-driven world. Research integrity demands that we uphold originality, ethics, and scholarly credible, even as digital tools grow more powerful by the day.
The program would be filled with intelligent presentations by experts in the field of education. The sessions were to provide practical tools and strategies expected to be implemented in classrooms.
Institutional impact challenges us to ensure that our teaching, research, and community engagement translate into real value for the society which we want to transform.
According to the founder, Afe Babalola, a good university requires adequate learning. It must have quality, attractive, and modern infrastructure and state-of-the-art teaching equipment. It must also have students who are university materials with good secondary school and JAMB results. Above all, a good university must have quality teachers.
Nobody can teach in any school whatsoever, elementary, kindergarten, secondary school, university, without a certificate in teaching. It is only in your country, this is my country, that anybody can just set up a school and start to teach.
Quality teachers in his submission includes quality foundational education, accepting teaching as a vocation, being a master of the subject, ability to arouse the interest of students, keeping an attendance register, preparing lesson notes ahead of a class, and giving advance notice of topics to students. These are conditions, among other requirements, to be met by a good teacher.
You must possess a certificate in teaching. You must go for the training. Now, it is the same thing in other countries in Europe and America. We have those who come to class without preparing notes for lessons. We have those who did not tell their students the syllabus for the year. We have those who did not insist on the books you must have before they come to class. We have those who go before the class and repeat what they had written in their notes of lessons. In any case, there are also teachers who don't prepare notes of lessons. And there are teachers who dictate what they have written to students to put down.
Afe Babalola reminded participants of the 2026 teaching workshop that ABUAD remains the only university in Nigeria where students live on campus with most of their lecturers. This system, Babalola emphasized, helps the academia to thrive. Since 2011, the university instituted annual awards to students and lecturers. The award, which started with a sum of 7 million, currently stands above 500 million annually.
All our teachers must follow what we are going to do here. One, know the subject. Two, you plan the subject, the number of people are going to teach throughout. And before coming to class, you prepare your notes of lesson. In those days, this happened at home. Notes of lesson must be given to the headmaster to see whether you are doing it right. teaching the right thing or not. I believe that the Vice Chancellor and all of you what to do about notes of lessons or to be prepared by a teacher. So I believe that why we follow that one. Don't say about body, but that is what is expected of a modern university, a modern school. We have got to see, we can dictate to others. Let them know what ought to be done in the university. We are number one university in Nigeria.
Annual award is a part of the incentives to motivate students, lecturers, and non-academic staff to do their best in a world-class university such as ABUAD.
People of the Fountain.